Yo, what's up guys? I'm Russ. Join me on a journey to hit up all 7 states of Northeast India.
Yo, what's up guys? What's up, you beautiful people? Here we are, day 2 of Itanagar. I'm gonna be leaving now. Leaving towards Tawang. And yeah, it's pretty loud out here. Early morning, it's like 7 a.m. right now. Gonna go have breakfast and stuff. But yeah, I just want to give a shout out. I feel like the hotel here, Hotel KY, it was a beautiful place to be at. Yeah, great guys, and made things so much easier. So yeah, W guys. So yeah, let's head off to Tawang. First of all, I'll introduce you to who I'm going with, and yeah guys, I'll take you guys on the journey.
Alright, what is up guys? So yeah, we're heading towards Tawang. So but the first place we're gonna stop at is Dirang. So yeah, so I'm here with Tatung guys, who's gonna be looking after me. We're gonna go together, and yeah, so say hi Tatung.
Hello, Pailincho, welcome to Arunachal Pradesh.
Pailincho. Very good.
Pailincho, Alove Hato.
There you go. So what? That's the local tongue. So as in like it's one of the languages spoken in Arunachal, correct?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Yeah. So the land of the rising sun, guys.
Mostly Arunachal Pradesh is known by land of rising sun and land of downlead mountain.
Downlead mountain.
We
Okay.
have, especially the peoples know by our culture, unique culture. We have Apatanis are there, which is famous for their nose ring, big nose ring.
Oh, okay.
And I belong to Nishi tribe.
Nishi tribe.
Nishi
Okay.
tribe is something like in Nishi there is a what to say, languages are different, but every single villages you can find different culture, different housing structure, different what to say, like we are same language, but you can find
There's so many subs.
so many like little bit different from each other's place.
Yeah. Got it.
So that's our biggest, largest property, grandest property. And welcome, Russ.
Yeah, no, thank you. Thanks for having me. So yeah, guys. So what you're saying is pretty much there's so many. So you might have just one tribe. Like there's so many different tribes, but there's so many sub tribes in that one tribe. So yeah, man, it's pretty crazy. But like yeah, guys, I'm looking really forward to going towards to Tawang, especially. It's a Buddhist monastery, correct?
Yeah, Asian largest, second largest monastery.
Second largest monastery. There you have it. Like
Tawang Monastery.
Tawang, wow. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that, man. And obviously, first stop is gonna be Dirang. So the place is gonna be like around 4 to 5 hours away from Itanagar. But yeah, I mean, we've got company each other, and yeah, it's gonna be a journey. You guys are gonna learn so many things on the way, and yeah, I'm excited to show you guys everything. Peace. So guys, in Arunachal, it's very safe out here. There's not much crime and whatnot, from what I'm being told. So the thing is, like, even at police stations and stuff, there's not many staff because there's no work to be done, right? Everyone is just chilling. So yeah, it's so interesting, man. This place feels very chill, you know, away from everything, and there's no worries here and whatnot. So yeah, man, it's great to see. And this, I feel like this is what you gotta aim for in your in places, you know, just no crime and whatnot. But obviously it's very hard these days with how the world is shaping it to be. So here we go, guys. We have some momos at the stop here. Let's get on top of it. Pretty good.
So beautiful, man. So yeah guys, so we're taking a little break here, fast forward a bit. This journey is not the 4 or 5 hours I was talking about earlier. Okay, I've been lied to. This is definitely like, how long is the journey thing? We've been here for like 5, 6, 7, it's gonna take like 7 hours, 8 hours to go to Tawang now? Like total?
Tawang?
Yeah, total.
5 hours.
There's no way it's 5 hours.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, A1, 2. 7 hours.
7 hours, yeah. So 7 hours, guys. But yeah, we got to see some beautiful things out here, man. Like it's beautiful, and obviously first time I got to touch. What's the thing called? The thing we touched.
Mithun.
Mithun, yeah, Mithun. Oh my god. So yeah, a bit tired, guys, but yeah, got to touch a Mithun, and now yeah, we're here. Dosa, and some biryani. So we're at some army camp here. So what's this place called?
Tawang.
Tenga. We're in Tenga. This is like so far, guys. Like we're in the middle of nowhere. But it's like army base is done pretty well up, you know. Like everyone's eating food and stuff. It's so cool, man. So cool. But yeah, guys. We'll continue the journey. I'll just finish the food and continue. So yeah, see you guys soon. So yeah, guys. Finished off. This is a beautiful place, man. Like, look at this. Look what they've done here. it's pretty crazy, you know. It just looks just beautiful. Even like it's a random ATM here. You can see and kids and whatnot. So, yeah, look at this. So it's like a spot. Say hi, bro.
Hi with the Indian chai.
Yeah, so yeah guys, so we just arrived in where did we arrive? Where are we right now?
Huh?
Where are we right now?
Right now we are here in Dirang,
Dirang.
place called Dirang, which is in Arunachal Pradesh.
Yeah.
Which welcome you with cold wine and great mountain
Right.
and rock mountain.
Right.
And Indian chai, not the UK one.
Yeah, here you go guys. So we arrived at the homestay on Yangsel? Yeah, Yangsel homestay. It's a beautiful place here, guys. If you guys ever want to stay. Yeah, straight away off the bat, we've been served some tea, which is very good. It's kind of cold down here, so it's like perfect thing to start with. But yeah, guys, there's a hot spring here, and we're gonna try go to that tonight. And we kind of need it. We're feeling kind of tired. Perfect way to relax. So this is gonna be my second time going to a hot spring. So I'm excited, man. I love the hot spring. It's so good. But yeah, damn guys. Yeah, so we're gonna rest up. Maybe if I'm allowed, I'll take you guys to the hot spring. If not, then beep. And yeah, gonna freshen up and whatnot, and yeah, enjoy the stay. Yeah, I'll show you guys inside what's up here. So this is the place. It looks so beautiful, man. Like this is like a crazy place. But yeah, this is my room for the night. So yeah, they got everything here. Very nice place. And yeah, exciting times. So yeah, guys, we've arrived at the hot spring. Only problem is we gotta wait some time. Someone else has booked the spot. So yeah, we're waiting for our tea in the meantime. I don't know how easy it's gonna be to film inside because it's gonna be steamy as hell. Might ruin the camera or whatnot. So yeah, this place looks very appealing. You know? Have some seating here as well and whatnot. So yeah, it's a very cool place. And it's only like 500 for the hot spring for like an hour. I think that's really good, you know. Alright guys, finished with the hot spring and it's freaking cold. It's freaking cold out here. Oh my god. Yeah, probably can't see shit out here, but damn guys. Oh my god. It's like 1 degree here. We're so up high in the mountains. And yeah, oh my god dude. I'm like, I didn't come prepared. Prepared meaning when I left the place, I forgot to get the jacket to come here. So yeah, it's freezing. But yeah, we're ready to go. And we're gonna end the night, guys. And yeah, oh my god, I'll go home and get a nice shower and yeah, eat and go sleep. So yeah, peace out. Alright guys, so back at the homestay. We'll call it a night for tonight. We're in Tawang, and yeah, the hot spring was not what I expected. I felt like it was gonna be more hotter, but because it was freezing as well. So the thing is, yeah, it's all good. We're back home for a bit, and yeah, tomorrow we head off to Tawang. So gonna get some nice sleep tonight. Very exhausted, so we'll continue tomorrow, guys. So yeah, good night, peace.